Alright, little update of what's going on here in Asheville, North Carolina. This here was a pretty little walkway. You'd go down in and walk along the River Arts District. Really beautiful part of town. And you can see it's just got a trash can still in the tree over there. That's how high the water was. About 20 feet right there. All the limbs busted up. Cargo container over there, still sitting in the water. But there's plenty more to come. Stay along for the ride. This is part one. Building completely just wiped off the foundation.